Hello students, already we finished our second lesson. Today we will start our third lesson, matter. When we look around us, we see many things like plants, animals, water, rocks, different objects like desk, chair, book, pen, pencil, cars, houses, etc. They are all of different shapes and sizes. Some are living while others are non-living. Some are natural or some are man-made, but all these are the part of our environment. But do you know what make up plants and animals? What make up land and water? The answer to all these questions is matter. Matter is not what we can touch, but that it can. We breathe that air, water, sun, soil, planet, stars, universe, every substance which is around us is a matter. Here all the substances are, whether living or non-living, are composed of matter. Students, do you know how matter was composed of? All scientists believe that matter created by an explosion, that is Big Bang. Great amount of energy evolved after just a few seconds in this explosion. Some bundle of energy turned into tiny particles called matter. These matters made up of universe in which we all live today. Now, classification of matter. Matters are broadly classified as living and non-living matters. Livings are can grow, reproduce and move on their own. But most non-living matters cannot grow, reproduce and move on their own. Next is that natural matters which are occurs in the nature. Example, wood, coal, silk, jute, cereals, etc. Whereas man-made matters are artificially made from the natural matters. Example, plastics, nylon, soap, detergent, glass, ceramic, etc. Students, now there is another question is arises. Does matters of only one kind exist? No, there are different kind of matters of different materials. Like chair is made up of wood, bottle is made up of plastics, soil is made up of different minerals. Now, nature of matter. Different kind of matter have the different properties. All form of matter occupy space and have definite mass. Matter can also be perceived of by our sense. Means the quantity of matter contained in a body is called its mass. Mass of a body remains the same at any place on the earth. These are the properties of matter. So, there are different properties of matters. R. Matter is defined as anything that is mass and occupies space. Next, all matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the smallest particle of matters. Atoms only can seen through the microscope as they are very tiny in their nature. Science has came up with the different technologies to identify the structure of atoms. You will read about this in higher classes. Okay. Next, another thing I want to tell, there are very few things in the universe which we cannot classify as the matter. These are time, thoughts, memories, and all type of energies like heat energy, light energy, sound energy, etc. are not considered as a matter because they are not having mass and not occupies any space. Now students, we have to read about the difference between the mass and the weight. Are the mass and weight same thing? Mass is the matter or the amount of the substance present inside an object. Now, will the mass of same object be different in different places? Means, will the amount of the matter in the object be different in different places? Yes or no? Answer is No, absolutely no. Mass of the substance is always constant in every place. The standard unit of mass is kg or kilogram, and the mass is measured by beam balance. Now, how to be understand how to be understand weight of an object. Weight is the force or a measure of the gravitational pull acted on an object. If weight of an object is 75 kg on earth, then its weight on the moon will be 12.4 kg only. Changes from place to place. That means the force with which the place of that gravity attracts a body towards it means the force which is acted upon the body is the weight. It is varies from place to place for a object. It is measured by spring balance. Students, mass is the constant everywhere, whereas weight depends on the gravitational force acted upon a body. SI unit of weight is Newton. So this much for today. Thank you, student. Stay healthy.